Alright, today we are looking at the best cordless vacuum cleaner. If you want to keep your home clean without the hassle of a cord, you need the right vacuum. To find the best cordless vacuum cleaner, I have tested dozens of different models. But it turns out different homes need completely different cordless vacuums. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners for every budget and need. And I will also show you which ones to avoid at all costs. And by the end, I'll share the cordless vacuum I personally use every day. So at number 5, we've got the Shark Freestyle Max, and it's priced just under $150, which makes it the cheapest option on this list. And that low price comes with one small trade-off I'll mention in a bit. This is for anyone who needs a simple grab-and-go vacuum for daily messes in a smaller home or apartment. The first thing I really liked is just how lightweight it is. After a few days, I was just grabbing it for quick spills and pet hair instead of my big corded vacuum. It has 2 speeds, and switching from the hardwood setting to the one for carpet made a real difference in pickup power. Day to day, the LED headlights were surprisingly useful for spotting dust under the couch, and the dust cup is big enough that I wasn't emptying it constantly. It feels really easy to handle. You just pick it up and go without any fuss. It's also slim and stores on its charging dock without taking up much closet space. The one downside is the battery life. It's perfect for 20 minutes of cleaning, but it won't do your whole house on one charge. But if you want an affordable cordless vac for everyday dirt on hard floors and carpet, this is an excellent place to start. So at number 4, we've got the Levoit cordless vacuum, and it's priced around $150. This is really for anyone who needs serious power and long battery life to clean their whole place in one go, without breaking the bank. After using it for a few days, the main thing that stood out was the runtime. I could actually clean my entire apartment, switching between hardwood and carpet on one charge with battery to spare. The suction is also genuinely impressive for the price. It handled all the pet hair and tracked in dirt my old vacuum used to leave behind, which was a huge relief. The anti-tangle brush actually works, so I wasn't stopping to pull hair out of it. Day to day, it feels incredibly convenient because it can stand up on its own, so you can just pause and park it anywhere without leaning it against a wall. It has the slim profile of a typical stick vacuum, making it simple to store in a closet or a corner without taking up much space at all. If you want a fantastic all-arounder that handles pet hair like a champ, this is a seriously great value pick. So at number 3, we've got the X100 cordless vacuum, and it's priced around $170. This is really for anyone who needs serious power and long battery life to clean their whole place in one go without breaking the bank. After using it for a few days, the main thing that stood out was the runtime. I could actually clean my entire apartment, switching between hardwood and carpet on one charge with battery to spare. The suction is also genuinely impressive for the price. It handled all the pet hair and tracked in dirt my old vacuum used to leave behind, which was a huge relief. The touchscreen on top is a nice feature for swapping power modes easily. I also noticed the anti-tangle brush actually works, so I wasn't stopping to pull hair out of it. Day to day, it feels incredibly convenient because it can stand up on its own, so you can just pause and park it anywhere without leaning it against a wall. It has the slim profile of a typical stick vacuum, making it simple to store in a closet or a corner without taking up much space at all. If you want a fantastic all-arounder that handles pet hair like a champ, this is a seriously great value pick. If you want a vacuum that punches way above its price tag and solves the battery life problem, this is a fantastic sweet spot on the list. So at number 2, we've got the Eureka Rapid Clean Pro, and it's priced around $110. This is for anyone who wants a seriously good cordless vacuum for pet hair and daily messes without paying that premium price. After using it for a few days, the thing that stood out immediately is just how incredibly light it is. At just over 5 pounds, you can grab it for a quick cleanup without a second thought, which is the whole point of a cordless vac. Day to day, it feels more like a nimble tool than a clunky appliance. The swivel steering is super responsive, making it easy to get around table legs and under chairs, which meant I used it way more often. The first thing I really liked were the LED headlights. They genuinely show you all the dust you'd otherwise miss under furniture. It also does a surprisingly good job on pet hair. The brush roll lifts it well and didn't get tangled up. It just feels effortless in your hand. You're not fighting its weight at all. Because it's so slim, it's easy to store. If you want a vacuum that feels like it should cost twice as much, this is easily the best value on the list. So at number 1, we've got the Dyson V11 Origin, and it's priced around $515. This is for anyone who wants a premium, no-compromise clean and is tired of vacuums that can't handle real-life messes, especially pet hair. The first thing I really liked is that the power isn't just a number on a box. You can feel it. It pulls dust out of carpets that my old vacuum left behind. But the feature that made the biggest difference day to day is the little LCD screen that gives you a real-time countdown of the battery life. It sounds small, but knowing you have exactly 12 minutes left in boost mode completely removes that battery anxiety you get with other cordless vacs. After using it for a few days, I was sold on the detangling head. I have a dog that sheds constantly, and I haven't had to sit there and cut hair out of the brush roll a single time. It also converts to a handheld with one click, which is great for cleaning the car. It feels incredibly solid and well-built, but it's still light enough to use on stairs without getting tired. The slim design and wall dock mean it's always charged and ready to go. If you just want a vacuum that delivers on its promises and makes cleaning feel less like a chore, this is the one. So that was the list, but before you decide, there are a couple types of cordless vacuums I'd honestly avoid. Steer clear of any that have amazing sounding specs but are full of reviews complaining about the battery dying in 6 months or the suction fading after a few uses. I'd also be careful with vacuums that have really complicated filter systems or dustbins that are a huge mess to empty. Those little annoyances become big headaches pretty fast. Keeping all that in mind, the one I personally use and recommend is the Dyson V11 Origin. It was just the most consistent and powerful in daily use. The battery life is reliable, the suction is always there when you need it, and it just works without any fuss. So if you want the best all-around performer that you won't have to second guess, this is the one I'd go with. I'll drop a link in the description below if you want to check for the latest deals.